Hello and welcome to Headland Machinery. This is our showroom as part of Oztech Week 2012. I'd like to take the opportunity to walk you around and show you some of our machines that we have on display. Our first machine that we have is the German engineered Behringer bandsaw range. Behringer have been around since early 1900s, have been manufacturing bandsaws and hacksaws for the greater part of 80 years. This particular model is a straight cutting saw, generally used in the specialty metals industry. High precision, high production capacities. This particular model has a very straightforward control, although we do have PC controls to allow us to directly import job sheets and job production portfolios. The other system that we have here is the Headland. We've saw fit to provide two sawing solutions to our customers. The bearing is used for high production capacities with a very high material cost. The Headland solution is a very straightforward solution. They come with three particular models. This particular model here is our vertical machine. The vertical machine allows us to a 45 swing on each arm for this model. Has a large table allowing us to cut not only structural sections, but we could cut castings, small job shop type applications. We also have a horizontal range, both in a dual column and scissor design. The Headland system is manufactured in Canada, and as I said earlier, a great machine for your everyday applications. Over here we have the Ocean Avenger. The Ocean Avenger is a single spindle drilling and marking machine, as manufactured in the USA by Pettinghouse. Headland has been very successful selling these machines over the past 4 years. We've got over 30 machines installed across the country. Capacities of 1,000 millimeters, 18 meter length, 6.3 to 2 inches in diameter for high-speed steel drill bits. Over here we have our Makino machines. This here is a 60 tool station machine with rotary pallet changer. The beauty of this machine is it has a 0.5 second tool change. You might be able to see one operate here through the window. Makino range is high precision Japanese machines. Here the PS95 with the open tabletop. This is a 30 station ATC machine. Here we have the Trump True Bend 7036 machine. This is the fastest press brake in the world. Ergonomic design. There's two machines in the 7000 series range. High precision, high accuracy, and obviously speed is the key for this machine. Here we have the 5000 series Trump True Laser. This machine has the capacities of up to 25 millimeters in mild steel. The fiber laser has a delivery of light energy from exciting a crystal diode with very strong LED lights. The machine has the capacity, I've spoken of, 25 millimeters, able to run through not only our standard stainless steel, mild steel and aluminium, but also some of the reflective metals which are most difficult to cut on our CO2 lasers. Over here we've got our second Trump laser in our showroom. This is the 5000 series CO2 laser. It's a 6 kilowatt system operating on a 3 meter by 1500 meter bed. In comparison to our fiber laser, the CO2 system here is running the same capacities, maximum of 25 millimeter mild steel, but where the fiber laser has the speed in the lower end of the system. Here we're looking at a very strong, all-rounded or well-rounded machine, great for job shopping. In comparison to the fiber, above 6 millimeters, this machine becomes our true workhorse. Around the corner we've got our Maxium water jet, as manufactured by Omax in the United States. The primary objective of a water jet cutting machine is to utilize many different materials. Standard our lasers are working on our metals such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and with the fiber, our copper and brass. Water jet gives us the technology to cut any thickness material, whether it be quartz, glass, aluminium, steel, titanium. The standard machine comes with the ability of cutting 200 millimeter thick product, and this machine here has a 3 meter by 1500 table. The beauty of the water jet machine is that we're running electric motors to drive hydraulic horsepower at the nozzle. This system is a 50,000 PSI. So our consumables here are water at approximately 4 litres per minute, garnet as mined in Australia, and of course electricity. The next machine we have is the Hager insertion machine. Very quick, very easy, very straightforward machine. The beauty of this particular model is that it's a Windows-based system, giving us a representation on the screen as we're rotating our parts through our production system. We're working on having a very straightforward production capacity so that this machine need not be operated 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, but more or less can adhere to the production capacities associated with sheet metal production. Behind me we've got our KUKA robotic training cell. KUKA Robotics has been a growing division for Headland Machinery with applications as far as aeronautics, food industry, manufacturing, even with our automotive industry in Australia. KUKA robots have played a tremendous part in helping to promote production. This particular system here is used in training of not only our technicians but also operators in the field. Finally, our last machine that we've got here is the SOCO SB63 Auto Series tube bender. In Australia we have lots of tube bending applications. Primarily we're looking at mandrel bending. This particular system has a CNC function with three driven axes. On this particular model, we're looking at the feeding, rotation and bending as done CNC. Not only are we able to program this machine in XYZ, but also in YBC, making it a very effective machine for automotive, handrail systems, exhaust tubing, hydraulics, etc. Well, that wraps us up here at the showroom at Rydalmere. I hope that you've had a good show of what machines we have on display and look forward to catching up with you in the future.